Terrace, British Columbia has been a place I wanted to visit for quite some time now.
I finally made it here, and rolling through this valley I knew right away it was going to be an epic trip. After a much needed rest in a cozy A-frame cabin, we took it to the river, and I literally could not believe how beautiful this place was. Spending the day with Brady, one of the guides here at Skeena Bay, really guided me to that perfect spay cast, as it was my first time using a double-handed rod.
My first catch of a steelhead right there.
We found a perfect place to drop the anchor along the riverside. I rolled out some fresh duck egg pasta, using eggs from a local farm, making it a little extra special. Brady is also a chef and was stoked to fire up the sauce using smoked salmon and stirring in goat cheese at the end that was also provided by Graham Acres Farm. Finishing the dish with aged parm, lemon zest, ethical table Canadian seas, and enjoying it en route back to the lodge before it got dark. I could not think of a better way to spend my time here in Terrace, British Columbia.